Hi everyone, I wanted to share this awesome PDF that I found online. It's Preparing for Life Transition Plan Guide. This is put together by the Alabama State Department of Education and Special Education Services. It's long, but it's a really awesome document that goes through what is transitioning, what's your role as a parent, what's your student's role, what is the school's role. It has a lot of really awesome kind of legal information. It just straight up asks you like what is transitioning, and it goes through different services and why it's so important. What's the school's role? Who should be involved when speaking of transition? It's super important that after high school, you and your child have a discussion on what's life going to look like. What are you going to do now? Is going to college something that you guys are wanting to do? Is going straight into work more of your child's role? It goes into a lot of really great detail. And if we go down a little bit farther, planning students' career paths, here's exactly what should be going on at your child's school. So junior high, middle school, we start thinking about it, right? 8th grade, we identify strengths, weaknesses, abilities, we explore interests. 9th through 11th grade, we assess the student's interest, the strengths, what's appropriate. We have to review the diploma. What are our exit options? Are we going to stay in school until 21? Because your child has every right to do that. Are we going to graduate on time? Maybe we're only going to do 2 years out of a traditional graduation date. And then when we're doing 12th grade / our exit year, so the year that you are choosing to leave, or are done with school, what is that? Where are we going? What are all these crazy initials? What do they mean? This is a lot of really great information here. It goes into a lot more. This is around 64 pages long. So there's a lot of really great information here, and a lot of the terminology that you'll hear at IEP meetings. That now you have kind of almost a cheat sheet to go off of. This is a really awesome, really cool, free document that is just at your fingertips. I'm going to put the link in the comments below so you can quickly get to it and you can access this, whether it's on a laptop, a phone, an iPad, anywhere you need to pull this up.